You don't know Curly Locks Vice Box I'm there, you know what I mean? On behalf of, you don't know, the Zion Gainer Foundation and the Rebel 13 Foundation. We just want to say, give thanks to each and everyone who contribute, you know, or support this whole cause, you know, where we are give back to the people them and try to help, you know, reach out into those nooks and crannies who need the much, you know, need much help. You see me? See this something in here? I get ready to go start the distribution. Madam mean. You see me? So I just want to big up. You don't know dumpling house. You don't know next shipping too. For forward anything them man. You know what I mean? Contributing in many ways, shape or form, same way. Good Vybz Bar and Grill. And I want to big up Emerald Dentistry that are from Canada. Big up their themselves to the fullest.
On behalf of Patrick and Paul, so we want everyone, please let the food stretch. Like if you get one bag, just take one bag so someone else can get. Okay? So I'll give Patrick and Paul the floor.
You don't know. It's our place. So it's better late than never because it's a delay. As you can see from Hurricane Melissa, from them time there, it delayed. The whole sitting pack up of our half. If you're not following news and see what's going on. But better late than never. It's free up finally and we decide to do what we say we're going to do. So with there, so if we do that on behalf of me, so them same way. Our generation, you don't know Zion same way. You don't know the whole family. And you know what I mean? So just be orderly.
Yeah.
And do it like it should be done.
Yeah.
Show them that St. Bess is the place.
Yeah, man.
That's all.
Yeah.
Right, that's all. So yeah man, you know, Zion Gainer Foundation, Rebel 13 Foundation, the mission for help continues, you know. We just want to say again, we want to give thanks, heartfelt, you know, thanks to everyone who contribute to the journey, the item help is much needed, and we appreciate the item, you understand? Because it's not the majority, it's always the minority. You know what I mean? Like them say, the righteous are saving the world in this time. You understand? Because certain people there, why this not done long time? Just know that. You understand? All of a big up and respect. Purple Nation to the fullest, Rebel 13 to the fullest. That is it.